Hey, Art 2, we're going to prepare our paper for the mini ink project. We're doing the birds. And so you get this paper out. It's 9 by 12. 9 by 12. And you have our newsprint as usual, along with some white sulfite paper, okay? Remember, we always start our rough draft on the newsprint. It's the thin gray paper. And then we transfer to the nice, clean, white sulfite paper. So right now, we don't need the good paper. We just need the newsprint paper. So if you remember, we set up a grid with our picture, with our reference picture. So the grid of our paper here should match that. So if you want to just draw it freehand, that's fine, but we're trying to do this accurately. So grids always help. So if you want to measure out a grid, you know how to do that, that's fine. We could just go a simple way though, and let's just fold. Okay, so let's do one fold one way. And so we have that one fold. And then I think this is called hamburger, where you fold it like that. Great. And now we have a grid, folded grid. It works for me. If you want to draw over those lines with pencil, that's fine. If you want to do this just with a ruler and pencil, that's also fine. But this will work. And this matches exactly the proportions and like ratio of this whole thing. So that should work out fine. Like this, these boxes all match the measurement and proportions of these boxes here. If you would like to break down this grid even more, I can show you how to do that. So just follow along with me. Like if you want even smaller sections, follow along with me. So if you want smaller sections, then go ahead and get into your reference picture. Come on. There you go. Okay, and you're gonna select your table. Okay, see it's this the little grid is selected. You can see the blue selected, and just delete it. Oh, come on, work. All right, there we go. I deleted it. Now I'm going to insert. We're going to insert a table. Okay, and what we'll do is we will insert a 4 by 4 table. Okay, just like that. And then what all you do is you stretch this out all the way to the corners. Okay, that seems about right. All right, and then it's really hard to see those little lines, so we'll come up here and we'll adjust the weight of those lines so that they're thicker, and then let's make it black as well so that we can see the lines a little bit better. So again, if you want to go on your own and break down this grid even more, you feel good about doing that mathematically, you understand how to do it, that's fine. And then you could add that extra grid on top of it, like I just showed you in the picture. But if not, the grid that I first showed you with just the 4 boxes should be just fine. So whatever you got to do. Once you're done, start drawing that bird.